Hey there, fellow GIS enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, GIS Spotlight. Today, I'm going to show you an easy-to-follow tutorial on how to perform a basic geospatial analysis using ArcGIS. So, let's get started and unlock the power of geospatial data management, alright? Folks, let's kick things off with creating a file geodatabase. Follow these simple steps to get it done. Step 1. Launch ArcCatalog or ArcGIS on your computer. Step 2. Navigate to the desired location where you want to create the file geodatabase. Step 3. Right-click on the target folder and select New - File Geodatabase. Boom! You've just created a brand new file geodatabase, ready to store and manage your geospatial data. Alright, now let's jump into creating a shapefile. Step 1. In the Catalog pane, navigate to the location where you want to create the shapefile. Get ready to add another skill to your geospatial toolkit. Congratulations! You have successfully created a shapefile in ArcGIS. File geodatabase and personal geodatabase have some key differences. File geodatabase is a versatile geodatabase format that supports multiple users, larger datasets, and complex relationships, making it suitable for professional and enterprise-level projects. On the other hand, personal geodatabase is a simpler format that is limited to a single user and has size restrictions. Thanks for watching.